morning, guys. We talk about how this is just the cutest darn pajama set in the entire world. Got little avocados all over it. It's from Shein. Now, y'all know I love my cleaning videos and my morning routine videos, so I thought we could kind of combine it. And it's the morning time now, so I'm gonna take you through my morning and different things that I do to help me motivate myself to clean, because you'll see my bedroom isn't that messy, but the rest of the condo is. I thought it would be fun. I could take you through my day and share with you like different things that I do to help keep my place clean. What's really nice though is waking up in my clean bedroom, which is kind of the only clean room in the condo right now, but other than that towel that's on Powell's head, that's my big bear's name, Powell. And to think I haven't even had coffee yet. I just get more energy when I film because it's fun, you know? The first thing that you clean in the morning, and that's your bed. So I'm sorry, Callie, but you are going to have to get up. So this tip is to have super duper simple bedding. It's just super complicated to make. It's way less likely that you're actually going to end up making it. You know what I mean? He said love you. All right, I'm sorry, baby. You gotta go on a gray now. You know, I said you could go back on the bed if you wanted to. Kitchen. So there's a load of clean ones in there, and then I have a whole bunch of dirt. Like, this is just packed full with dishes. Before I went to bed, I didn't have room to put all the dishes in the dishwasher, so I have a huge load I have to do, but I didn't want to walk into my kitchen with dishes everywhere, the countertop's all dirty, so I just took like 10 minutes to wipe off the counters, put everything away, put all the dirty dishes in the sink, and you know, I let these soak. Let me comment below if you also let dirty dishes soak. It's just so much easier when you go to clean up. So I guess this next tip would be to condense the mess where you can. So if you really don't feel like doing a full clean before you go to sleep, at least move everything to one spot. You know, like in the kitchen, just move it all into the sink. That way when you do walk into your kitchen in the morning, it doesn't look like a complete disaster and you don't feel overwhelmed. But we still need coffee. So another huge tip, which I honestly wasn't even planning to include, but I just thought of it, do the thing when you think of it. So I was literally just about to put this ice cube tray on the counter and be like, okay, we'll fill it up later. No, Kat, just fill it up now. It takes 2 seconds and then you don't have to worry about it later. So if something is gonna take you under just like a minute to do, I mean, honestly, no matter how long it's gonna take you to do, if you do have the time to do it in that moment, just do it, because you're gonna be so much happier with yourself later on, and it's not gonna build up these like more and more things, oh shoot, that you have to do. Done with the ice cube. Okay, so it's actually not as awful as I thought. There's just like random stuff everywhere. I was on the floor last night. Let me know if you ever like to do that too. Sometimes I just don't feel like using my couch. I feel like using the floor. And then I have some hair stuff over here. Got my new coffee, my tea from last night, my baby, and then it's pretty much it. Oh, and then this thing is a little messy, but like, come on, Kat, it's not that big of a deal. But my least favorite part, and we'll talk about it, how I motivate myself to do it later, but if we come in my laundry room, I like just took everything out last night and threw it on the counter versus folding it. So now I have to fold all of it. And then I also have to put this laundry in the wash. That's definitely gonna be 2 washes, but that's okay. For right now, I'm gonna turn this off. We're gonna sit on the blanket. Ooh, this will be cozy. So I know my place is not very messy right now at all. There's just like random things I have to do in laundry and stuff, and then more cleaning versus like clutter everywhere. But a huge tip that I have is if you are feeling super overwhelmed and like, oh my gosh, I don't wanna do this, just super unmotivated, I want you to think about how you're going to feel after it's clean. Just imagining your space being super clean and reminding yourself of that feeling you get when the plate, like, it's nice and fresh and you feel like it's all put together and you love your decor and the way it looks. That's really gonna help to motivate you to get off your butt and do some cleaning. I don't understand people who don't drink coffee. I mean, like, I respect your decision, but I don't understand it at all whatsoever, even a little bit. So for me, I'm gonna put kitchen, living room, laundry, 3 loads. Oh gosh, I didn't realize how dusty these were. Okay, so we're gonna add dusting to the list. Can you see that? So as much as it pains me, because this is just the most adorable darn little pajama outfit, isn't it? This next tip is to get yourself put together. You don't want, I mean, and it would be more so if I was wearing like sweatpants, because I guess this isn't awful, but you know, I am still in my pajamas. So if I put on leggings and a little bit more of a cute put together shirt, that will immediately make me feel more awake and more ready to get cleaning done. I've also talked about this tip for just the morning in general, but I think it's something that's so darn important if you want to be in the right mindset to get something done. Dress the part, you know what I mean? And I don't know why, but wearing like bright colors always makes me feel more productive and like just excited and in a fun mood, I guess. Yeah, I think we're gonna wear this one instead. I just feel like this yellow one is still like a little pajama-y. I guess we're on a slanted angle for this. Like I said, when you see something, just take care of it. So I see this blue towel on Powell, which is supposed to go in the bathroom, so we're gonna go put it away real quick. Okay, cool. See, now that's done. So the next thing, which kind of has to do with like putting on more put together clothes, is if you are gonna do your makeup, and if you're not going to, then like that's totally fine. I've probably worn makeup like 10% this entire quarantine situation. But I do recommend, if you're going to put it on, do it on the earlier side. Like just get it out of the way. One, that way, like as soon as you do your makeup, you're gonna feel so much more put together. So this is kind of like a morning routine thing too, I guess. Just put a tissue here when I'm wearing my shirt. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna take the shirt off while I do my makeup. So I did my makeup. I'm gonna wash my hands before I touch anything else. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So now I'm gonna take these hair clips out. My next tip, we're gonna go in and clean the kitchen and do the dishes. But girls gotta get dressed first, right? I hope my videos can help motivate you to do something that makes you happy, whether that's clean, wake up early, write a book. I don't know where that came from, but I don't know, just something. Surprise, surprise, I'm hungry for breakfast now. So this next tip, which is kind of fun, is essentially what I do is in the morning when I cook my oats, I set it on the microwave for a minute, 45 seconds, and I use that time to race the timer to clean something in the kitchen. So for today, the dishes, we can't really do anything with those until I take all the dirty or the clean ones out of the dishwasher. Once I press start, we're gonna go ahead and empty this out, and it's like a game. So you do like as fast as you can to race yourself, and then it's fun. You can also just like set a timer, but I find it's, you know, this is like my thing in the morning where while my oats are cooking, I clean as much as I can. And obviously this wouldn't be a very good cleaning video if I didn't say to clean as you go. So obviously we're going to be putting those things away before we go into the other room to watch some Married at First Sight. Let me know if you like that show, and eat. So now I'm just gonna sit here and watch Married at First Sight for like 20 minutes, enjoy my breakfast, because I think you should always make sure to relax while you eat if possible and not work through meals. So I'm gonna do this, and then we'll go do the next cleaning thing that we have to do, which I'm not sure what it is, but we're gonna look at my list. So we're back in the kitchen with more coffee, obviously. I put fresh ice in here and it's so cold. Oh, so good. I'll be honest, the last thing I want to do right now is dishes. I'm not really in the mood. But I know that the second that I start doing it, I'm immediately gonna just get in the routine of it, the rhythm, and it'll be done like that. So I recommend putting on a podcast or a YouTube video where it's just talking or listening to music. I'm gonna listen to more, I'm gonna listen to some country Pandora, that's my fave. I'm so obsessed with this scent, Rose Water and Ivy from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, I'll soap on it. It's so good. At first I actually didn't like it too much, and then I don't know, now it's my favorite. Okay, so now that I have the kitchen clean, I'm starting to feel that momentum. I'm excited and feel ready to go conquer, is that the right word? A little dramatic, but we'll go with it. The living room, actually, I'm just gonna pick this whole thing up. Living room time. Oh, it's getting hot. Oh, shooters. When I was cleaning the kitchen, I forgot to bring all those dishes in there. Should I do it? Probably not. Am I gonna do it? Yes. Success! I'm gonna go take care of those dishes real quick and then we'll come finish up the living room. So whenever you're cleaning a room, the very first thing you should take care of is the focal point. So that's why I say when you clean your bedroom, do your bed first. If you clean the kitchen, you know, take care of the dishes or the countertops first, whatever is that like main focal point for you. And in the living room, of course, that's the couch. Now, of course, once again, we have to make Callie move. He looks so comfy. I gotta be honest, I am both exhausted and very hot right now. I should probably turn the AC on. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's only one more thing we have to do. I mean, it like includes a few different things, but laundry. So I have to fold and put away the clean laundry, do another load of laundry. But right now, like I said, I'm just very, I don't know, like I feel tired. And it's something that I thought of because I was trying to like think of ways to get energy other than just coffee or a big glass of water, you know, when you're feeling tired, but you have to do something like clean. And I always feel so energized after a workout. So this next thing we're gonna do, even though I don't feel like it, but we're gonna do it anyways, we're gonna do a quick workout. You know, I just find that whenever I finish a workout, I'm energized and like in a great mood, high off of endorphins. So I just feel like this is something, I've never actually tried it to be honest, but we're gonna try it right now and see how it makes me feel, and then we have to go do laundry. All right. So I literally just did like 3 exercises in a little circuit twice and I already feel way more energized. So I did that circuit, the crunch ups and the leg lifts with the little whoop, and then the squats 2 times. I was gonna say 3, but I didn't do it 3 times. And honestly, I already feel so much more energized. I feel like you think that doing a workout will make you super tired. And I guess if it's like a super intense one, that's true by the end. Oh, can you tell? But if you are feeling a little bit low energy, I highly recommend, like I just did, a quick circuit because, I feel a lot better. Okay, now we go do laundry. See, now I have so much more energy and I am excited. Y'all know I hate doing laundry activities. I really do. I mean, it's so much better since having my new pretty laundry room, but I still definitely my least favorite chore. But now that I did a little workout, I have way more energy and I can go ahead. Oh shoot, I was gonna put dirty laundry in here, but they're still clean. We're gonna put on a YouTube video, see what's new in the YouTube world, or maybe we'll just listen to music. So I definitely do recommend doing a super quick ab workout or leg workout, or just, you know, jump rope in place, anything real quick if you really don't feel like cleaning and you don't have any energy, because I guarantee you 9 times out of 10 you'll end up having way more energy right after that, and then you'll be excited to go and get done whatever you have to get done. So Always got to do a quick scan to make sure I don't have anything else that needs to go in, not in there. And if you're curious, it's literally just like a normal wash, and then you just click dry so that it will dry, and then start. Oh shoot, forgot to put detergent in. Now I'm cold, I'm going to get my shirt. Okay, I love the look of a high ponytail, but they really hurt your head, so tad unpractical. But I don't feel like having my hair down right now, so we're just gonna do like a little bun. And honestly, I'd have to say the #1 biggest tip I have when it comes to keeping your space clean and making it easy and fast and honestly kind of fun to clean up is don't have that much stuff. I know that seems so like, I don't know, cliche and like, okay, Kat, yeah, don't have that much stuff. But seriously, I mean, if you look at my living room, like my living room, dining room area, right? I don't have that much stuff on the coffee table. I just have a candle, a little plant. And then over here, there's really, I mean, actually I do want to get a circle mirror here. So let me know what you think of that. But as far as like things everywhere on this coffee table, I just have some flowers, a little picture, my book, The Daily Stoic, which I read every morning. So I keep it there. And then obviously my coffee. And then over in here, it's just some candles, like super basic, but it looks nice. And then you see I have my hair stuff here, which is another really big tip I have, and that is to always make sure that you store things where you actually use it. So like I used to store my hair stuff in my bathroom or my bedroom, but I never did it in there. I would always take it out here and like sit in front of my big mirror and do my hair. So I got a basket that matches the look. Ignore Tim's Xbox under there. And that way I can have it out here and it's easy to move if I have company over and I don't want it here, but at the same time, it's like, you know, it looks okay and it looks cute and how to put together, and it's where I use it. Over here, this is super simple, my little wine chest. Had a bottle of wine in there for decor, but then I had to use it, so I need to get a new one. But then on top of it, I just have like a few different things, nothing crazy. And then my clock, which is from TJ Maxx. And then on my dining room, I know that's uneven, I have to fix that, but it's just so simple. I do also want to have some sort of picture up there, but I don't know what. I feel like a mirror would be good there too. Okay, so it's now like 12:30ish, and I think I'm gonna go have some lunch because I'm really hungry. Next week I will be uploading my 20 ways to be a morning person video, so stay excited for that. If you watched until this part, comment balloons. So comment balloons if you watched until this part. Random for this video, but I'll know you watched until this part because why else would you comment that? All right, I love you guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.